What's going on, guys? Ian here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got another bike I'd like to show you today. We're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Softail Slim S Vivid Black. It's the S model. What makes it the S model is that right there. It's got the big Screaming Eagle 110 cubic inch motor on a Softail frame. It is a really nice motorcycle. It's one of my favorite Softails that Harley makes is the Slim. Just because how small it is, its low center of gravity, the way it handles, and then of course that 110. That definitely helps. It is all blacked out. The frame's black, the motor's black, everything is all blacked out. It does look like it's got the factory exhaust system. It is set up for a 2-up rider with that nice big cushy seat for the rider and passenger. It does already have a quick release passenger pillion and a quick release luggage rack. Looks like it has the backing plate taken off the air cleaner. A little bit of an upgrade. Probably a stage 1 air intake. All in all, these Slims are really nice motorcycles. It's got floorboards for the rider and pegs for the passenger. This is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, which means it's had its multi-point inspection. It's test rode at least 15 miles, and it had a professional detail. I'm not sure how many miles are on this bike. Let's take a look here and see. (2,817 miles. So basically nothing. See what she sounds like. So it does sound like they probably took the baffles out of the stock exhaust system. But it makes that 110 sound really nice. If you have any questions concerning this motorcycle, you can contact our sales team toll free at 817-985-8888. Or you can get on our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com and take a look at our full inventory. We sell and ship bikes all over the world and take virtually anything in on trade. So don't hesitate to give us a call and see what we can do about getting you in the wind on this beautiful 2016 Vivid Black Softail Slim S with the 110 cubic inch motor. Well, this is Ian with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. The freedom to choose.